Okay, I have a 2005 Sportsman 400 that I have to replace the prop shaft on, and nobody's really talked about how to remove this roll pin that is right here. And I took a punch, 2 different size punches. I started with the big one first and then finished with the smaller one. But just put it right there. Took a decent size hammer, tapped on the punch and tapped it out. This particular model does not have any type of set screws or Allen screws on it. So if I can ease that out, I'll show you the end of it. So as I said, I think some of them have maybe an Allen screw or set screw, but this is just a simple roll pin. They do make a roll pin removal tool. I did soak it with PB Blaster for 5 or 10 minutes before I hit it out. Mine was very easy to get out. Once I got it out, I took a pry bar, eased it back this way, and it come off, and then I was able to pull it off of the transmission shaft back on this end. On the transmission shaft end, there is a grease fitting. There was no pin inside the grease fitting, nothing on this end at all to hold it. The only thing holding it on the 2005 Sportsman 400 is the front roll pin. You knock that out and tap it back and then pull it off the transmission shaft. Hope this helps someone.